See, Standard 12th, Max, Chapter 11, Probability Distributions. Exercise 11.3, first sum. The question is, the probability density function of x is given by f of x equal to x kx e power minus 2x for x greater than 0. And it is 0 for all the values x less than or equal to 0. Find the value of k. Before start doing the problem, let me give the definition for f of x. If f of x is a probability density function, and also it should be positive value. F of x is greater than or equal to 0. In that case, minus infinity to infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. So this is the definition for probability density function. If f of x is a probability density function for the positive value, then minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Here they define the function f of x is in this case. So we rewrite minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to, see, first you take this limit x less than or equal to 0. X less than or equal to 0 means what? Center 0. Left side you will get minus infinity. Right side you will get plus infinity. So from minus infinity to 0, the function is 0. So I split the function as minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus and then 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity f of x dx. So for the second case, see the second case, minus x less than 0, that is minus infinity to 0, function is 0. So minus infinity to 0 f of x dx, sorry, you can write this as 0, given this is 0. 0 plus then 0 to infinity, the function is kx e power minus 2x. Kx e power minus 2x dx. So this is equal to 1. From the definition is equal to 1. Actually this is 0. This integration of 0 is 0. So write only this. 0 to infinity kx e power minus 2x dx is equal to 1. So here k is constant, you can take outside the integral. So, and also we know the integration of, see, gamma integral. Gamma integral you learn in the 11th standard. 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx is equal to, formula is n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. This is the formula. X power n e power minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Here let me take k outside. 0 to infinity x e power minus 2x dx is equal to 1. So x power n, in the place of n I have 1. So replace n as 1. And e power minus ax, in the place of a I have 2. So replace a as 2. So you be thorough with this formula. So k into n factorial. First you have to write n factorial. What is n factorial? 1 factorial by a. What is a? A is equal to here 2. 2 power n is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So k into 1 factorial is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 is equal to 1. So k is equal to, cross multiply 4 ones are 4. So the value of k is equal to 4. That is the question. Find the value of k. See the second sum, the probability density function of x is f of x is x for x lies between 0 and 1, 2 minus x for x lies between 1 and 2, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2 and 0 otherwise. See, you can take the interval here. See, center 0, 0, 1, 2. So for 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, 1 to 2. See, 1 is included in the second interval. Okay. See, here, let me use the formula here. Density function, same density function. I can use, see the question is, see the question they ask you to find for sum p of 0.2 less than or equal to x less than 0.6. First one. Let me complete this. See, according to the definition for the probability function, see this density function we can write as a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b is equal to a to b f of x dx. F of x dx. So here in the place of a we have 0.2 and b as 0.6. So where this value lies here? This decimal value lies in between 0 and 1. So I have to take the first interval. So I replace this as 0.2 to 0.6 f of x dx. That is 0.2 to 0.6 f of x is here x dx. So integrate x. So I will get x square by 2, 0.2 to 0.6. So 1 by 2, 0.6 the whole square. Apply the upper limit minus the lower limit, 0.2 the whole square. So 1 by 2, 6 squared is 36, but 0.6 after 2 decimal I have to keep the point. 0.6 into 0.6. 6 are 36. After 2 decimal we keep the point. Same thing here. 2 squared 4, but after 2 decimal you have to keep the point. So subtract here. So you will get half into 0.32. That is equal to, divide 0. In 3 it goes one time. 0.16. See the second division. Second division. P of 1.2 less than or equal to x less than 1.8. So this is 1.2 to 1.8 f of x dx. So just you see where this limit applies here, range. So 1.2 to 1.22. 1.2 to 1.8, that is it is in between 1 and 2. So in that case I have to take the second function 2 minus x. So f of x is here 1.2 to 1.8, 2 minus x dx. So integrate this. If I integrate 2, so I will write x. Minus x means x square by 2. So actually this integration we split it into 2 dx minus x dx. So 2 is constant. If you integrate dx and integration cancel, you will get x minus You add 1 to this power x squared by 2. Okay. Apply the limit 1.2 to 1.8. So, first apply the upper limit 1.8. 2 into 1.8. 1.8 square by 2 minus 2 into 1.2 minus 1.2 square by 2. You have to do the calculation here. 3.682 are 16, carry over 1, 3 minus 3.24. 18 squared is 324. So 3.24 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4, 2.4, then minus 1.12 squared by 144, 1.44 by 2. So 3.6 minus 1.62, then minus, remove the bracket, 2.4, minus into minus plus 0.147 times 2. So you add this plus number and minus number. See, 3.6, 0.72, 2, 13 carry over 1, 4.32 minus, you add this number 1.62, 2.4. So 2, 0 carry over 1, 4, 4.02. So if you subtract, what you will get? 4.32, 4.02, 0, 3, 0.3. So the answer is 0.3. See the third subdivision. P of 0.5 less than or equal to x less than 1.5. So see, look at the limit 0.5 to 1.5. See, where is the 0.5? It lies between 0 and 1 here. 1.5 is here. This is 0.5 and this is 1.5. So, the function, we have to take two functions. The interval, we split it into two parts. 0.5 to 1, I take the function x, and 1 to 1.5, I take the function 2 minus x. So, this sum is, this is 0.5 to 1.5 f of x dx. So, 0.5 to 1, first function x dx plus 1 to 1.5, 2 minus x into dx. So this is equal to x squared by 2. X squared by 2. 0.5 to 1. So if you integrate x power 1, so you add 1. So x squared by 2. The degree must be in the denominator. Plus 2x, 2 alone here, 2x minus x squared by 2 into 1 to 1.5. So you have to do the simplification here. Apply the upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1 square 1. 0.5 square by 2 plus 2 into 1.5 minus 1.5 square by 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, if I divide, convert into decimal. So 0.5 minus, this is 0.5 squared is 25. So 0.25 by 2. So 0.1 time, in 5 it goes 2 time, remaining 1, 0.25. Then keep the bracket plus 2 into 1.5, that is 3.0 minus again 15 square. What is 15 square? 225. 225. 2.25 divided by 2, you will get 1 point. It goes 1 time, then in 5 it goes 2 time, 1.125. Then you simplify this. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 is LCM. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. In 3, 2 goes here 1 time. Remainder 1. So 1.5. We'll get here 1.5 plus 1. Sorry, this minus is outside, no? So minus 1.5. So simplify this. First you remove the bracket. Minus 0.125 plus 3 minus 1.125 minus 1.5. First you collect the positive values. This is equal to 3, 0.5, 3.5, and then you add these three numbers. So you will get 0.125, 1.125, that is 0 carry over 1, 5, 2, 1. 1.250, again add 1.5, 0, 5, 7, 2.75 minus 2.75, 2.75. If you subtract, you will get 3.5, 2.75, 0. So carry over 1, 5, here 4, then carry over 1 here, 14, 7 goes 7, 0. So 0.75. See, all these are simple calculations you can do. So these two sums based on the density function. The first one, just we use the formula, limit minus infinity to infinity 1 here. And then here the limits get given, they define the function. Thank you.